The FIFA World Cup. These three words hold immense power. They evoke a sense of passion, excitement, and global unity, unlike any other sporting event. Every 4 years, the world comes together, captivated by the beautiful game played on the grandest stage. Billions of people tune in to witness incredible displays of skill, athleticism, and sportsmanship. The World Cup is more than just a tournament. It's a cultural phenomenon that transcends borders, languages, and backgrounds. From the bustling streets of Rio de Janeiro to the vibrant pubs of London, the energy is palpable. The world transforms into a tapestry of jerseys, flags, and fervent chants. It's a time when differences fade away, replaced by a shared love for the sport and the thrill of competition. The World Cup is a testament to the power of sport to unite humanity. This global spectacle, however, had a humble beginning. It all started with a vision, a dream to create a tournament that would bring the best footballing nations together. This is the story of the first FIFA World Cup, held in 1930 in Uruguay. A tournament that marked the beginning of a legacy that continues to inspire and captivate the world. The 1930 World Cup was not just about the matches. It was about laying the foundation for something much bigger. It was about igniting a passion for the sport on a global scale and establishing a tournament that would forever alter the landscape of football. The story of the first World Cup is intricately linked with the man who dreamt it into existence, Jules Rimet. A French football administrator with a vision, Rimet became president of FIFA in 1921, inheriting an organization grappling with internal divisions and a lack of direction. Rimet, however, possessed an unwavering belief in the unifying power of football. He envisioned a tournament that would transcend national borders and bring the world together through the sport he loved. Rimet's vision faced significant hurdles. Many within FIFA were skeptical, hesitant about the feasibility and appeal of such an ambitious undertaking. The logistical challenges of organizing a tournament of this magnitude in an era before air travel were daunting. Undeterred, Rimet passionately advocated for his idea, tirelessly promoting the concept of a global football championship. Finally, in 1928, his perseverance paid off. FIFA, swayed by Rimet's unwavering conviction and the potential of his vision, voted to approve the creation of the first FIFA World Cup. With the dream now a reality, the next step was to choose a host nation for this groundbreaking tournament. The selection process would prove to be a pivotal moment in World Cup history. The honor of hosting the inaugural World Cup went to Uruguay, a nation brimming with footballing passion and recent Olympic glory. Uruguay's bid was bolstered by their status as reigning Olympic football champions, having clinched gold medals in both the 1924 and 1928 Olympic Games. This demonstrated their footballing prowess and their ability to compete at the highest level. Uruguay's bid wasn't solely based on their sporting achievements. They presented a compelling offer to FIFA and participating nations. They promised to cover all travel and accommodation expenses for the visiting teams, a tempting proposition during a time of economic uncertainty. Furthermore, Uruguay pledged to construct a brand new stadium specifically for the tournament, a testament to their commitment to hosting a truly memorable event. The allure of Uruguay's bid proved irresistible. FIFA, convinced by their passion, their plan, and their recent triumphs on the Olympic stage, awarded them the hosting rights for the first ever FIFA World Cup. The stage was set for a historic tournament in a nation deeply in love with the beautiful game. Section 4. A voyage across the Atlantic. The challenges of participation. The excitement surrounding the first World Cup was tempered by the logistical realities of the time. With the tournament being held in Uruguay, European teams faced a daunting journey across the Atlantic Ocean. This was a period long before the advent of transatlantic flights, and the only option was a 2-week voyage by sea. Many European nations were hesitant to commit to such a long and arduous journey, particularly during a period of economic hardship. The financial burden of sending a team across the Atlantic, coupled with the potential loss of players' earnings while away from their club duties, presented significant challenges. Despite these obstacles, the allure of participating in the first ever World Cup proved too strong to resist for some. 4 European nations, France, Belgium, Yugoslavia and Romania, made the commitment to embark on the long voyage to Uruguay, joining 9 teams from the Americas to form the 13 nations competing for the inaugural title. Section 5. The tournament begins. Triumphs and heartbreaks on Uruguayan soil. The inaugural World Cup, held in July 1930, featured a straightforward format. The 13 participating nations were divided into 4 groups, with the group winners advancing to the semi-finals. The knockout stage would then determine the finalists who would compete for the coveted title. The tournament witnessed moments of brilliance and drama right from the outset. France, led by their captain Lucien Laurent, who had the honor of scoring the first ever World Cup goal, displayed flashes of attacking flair. Mexico and the United States also showcased their abilities, providing glimpses of the growing passion for the sport in North America. As the group stage progressed, South American teams asserted their dominance. Argentina, Uruguay and the United States emerged as the favorites, each displaying a blend of tactical discipline and individual skill that captivated the Uruguayan crowds. The stage was set for a thrilling knockout stage, with the dream of becoming the first ever World Cup champions within touching distance.